Alright, welcome to another video. Today we have some KLX content, but it is not the 351 here. It is my brother's 140L. He has been asking for a while to get an exhaust, and finally got one. So we got a Powercore 4 inside the box here, and we're gonna go ahead and put that on for you guys today and get some sound clips. So like I said, he's pretty excited for this, and I am too, to see how he likes it. But without further ado, let's go ahead, get disassembling this KLX140 and get the exhaust on. First things first, let's go ahead and get some stock sound clips on the KLX before we get this FMF slip-on put on. Alright, so here we go, opening up the exhaust. Let's see. And there we have it. Alright, so here's the exhaust. Let's go ahead and tear apart KLX here and get the stock one off. So we got Kawasaki's classic 8mm bolts here. So for all the hangers here, we got 12mm, and then the header nuts are also 12mm. The seat shield will probably need to come off, and it is a 4mm. So first, let's go ahead and take off the heat shield. Yep. Alright, so we got this off here. Take off these hangers here. Okay, so the hangers are off. Now let's go ahead and loosen up the clamp from the slip-on to the header. This again is 12mm. So before we loosen the header, we're going to go ahead and take the stock slip-on off, because it's a lot easier to move around while the header is still tight, and then we'll be able to loosen up the header nuts after that. Wiggle this around. Go ahead and pull it out. So just wiggle it around, probably hold it here, and kind of twist it, and pull it. And there we go, it's off. This old big hunk of junk here. Here's a look at the exhaust with the plastic off. Definitely a lot lighter than the stock one. And we no longer have a pea shooter for an exhaust. Alright, so if you're running the stock header, they give you a little adapter sleeve here that needs to go into the end of the new slip-on. And that's right here. It needs to go inside there, so we need to put some high temp silicone on the sleeve before we insert it, and then we can go ahead and do that and put it on the header. So we got that little sleeve in to adapt to the stock header, so now we're gonna go ahead and loosen the header nuts a little bit and put some RCV on the header here, and then we will be good to go to slide this thing on. We are good to put the exhaust on. All we have to do now is put the plastics on, and we will be good for a first start. Alright, exhaust is done. We get a couple sound clips, but as you can tell, my brother's pretty excited. I am too. I bet this thing's gonna sound pretty good. We just need to figure out a spark arrestor situation here for when we go to the trails, because this is not the spark arrested version, but I think we could probably drill up here and then get a spark arrestor from FMF and probably make that work. But yeah, let's go ahead and get some sound clips. Starts right up. What do you think about that?
It's loud. It definitely has more power to it. At least it felt like it did.
Yeah. What do you think?
It's nice.
You like it?
It's cool, yeah.
It's pretty loud. Definitely, probably just about as loud as mine. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was probably a little bit of a short one, but as you can see, brother's pretty excited about it. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, share it to your friends and those who may enjoy it. Also, if you're not already, go down there, hit that subscribe button, get the bell on. So with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one. Here's a little sneak peek for those who watched to the end. See you guys in the next video.
I'm the motherfucking greatest, yeah, I'm the greatest. Bitch, my competition, they don't fit that niche. You can try to take a shot at me, I will not.